Distinguished guests, industry leaders and innovators, I am Rahul Sahai, CEO of Kirloskar Oil Engines, and it is a privilege to serve as the brand ambassador for the third edition of Festival of Manufacturing. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Times Group and the worldwide media for creating this exceptional platform, one that brings together visionaries, industry leaders, and change makers, all working towards the shaping the future of Indian manufacturing. Events such as Festival of Manufacturing are not merely gatherings, they are vital forums for knowledge exchange, collaboration, and innovation. These events unite policymakers, business leaders, and technology pioneers to explore the solutions that will define the trajectory of Indian manufacturing. This is where ideas evolve into impactful actions. This year's theme of empowering India's manufacturing ecosystem, driving scale, skill, and sustainability could not be more timely or relevant. India stands at a pivotal moment in its industrial evolution, with key government initiatives such as Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are witnessing an unprecedented surge in industrial growth. However, for India to truly emerge as a global manufacturing powerhouse, we must take bold and transformative actions to craft a future that is technologically advanced, scalable, and environmentally sustainable. At Kirloskar Oil Engines, we firmly believe that manufacturing is not just about production, it is about innovation, people, and the tangible impact we create. A thriving industrial ecosystem is built upon a workforce that is technically proficient, digitally empowered, and equipped to meet the challenges of tomorrow. As automation, IoT, and AI-driven technologies reshape industry landscapes, skill development must evolve accordingly to remain aligned with the pace of change. India's manufacturing future will also depend on our ability to scale operations efficiently. Large-scale manufacturing not only enhances productivity, it also reduces cost and strengthens our competitiveness. However, this growth must be inclusive, supporting both MSMEs and large enterprises in their expansion. A robust policy framework alongside strategic investments in infrastructure will be crucial to ensuring that scalability does not come at the expense of sustainability. As we move towards a greener future, the role of cleaner, reliable, and flexible power solutions becomes indispensable. Power is the backbone of manufacturing, and its efficiency directly influences industrial resilience. At Kirloskar Oil Engines, we are committed to providing better power solutions that go beyond simply generating energy. We are pioneering intelligent, adaptable, and sustainable power solutions that include hydrogen-based technologies and advanced gensets that includes power modules. The transition to low-carbon energy, digital power management, and energy-efficient systems is no longer a mere aspiration. It is an important aspect of our future. It is about creating a seamless future-ready power ecosystem that ensures operational continuity, minimizes energy wastage, and provides greater flexibility in adapting to changing energy demands. Reliable power drives productivity, while sustainable power ensures that longevity of our industries. At Kirloskar Oil Engines, we are dedicated to delivering both. India's manufacturing sector is at a critical juncture, and the decisions we make today will define our position in the global economy for decades to come. By focusing on skill development, scaling operations, and embedding sustainability within our strategy, we have the opportunity to transform India into a global leader in advanced manufacturing. As a company with a legacy of industrial excellence and a forward-thinking vision, Kirloskar Oil Engines remains steadfast in its commitment to advancing India's manufacturing ecosystem. We will continue to innovate, collaborate, and push the boundaries of what is possible to build a future that is technologically advanced, sustainable, and globally competitive. I would also like to take the opportunity to congratulate all the participants, industry leaders, and innovators who are contributing to the growth of India's manufacturing sector. Your dedication and efforts are instrumental in shaping a stronger, more resilient landscape. Thank you, and I wish you all the success at the Festival of Manufacturing.